There are some extraordinary benefits to study MSc International Business from the University of Dundee. Let me share some of them. When you start, you join the 2-week foundation program where you will learn more about all the business conversion degrees and their pathways. You will make your final module choices and establish which degree pathway is right for you and your career. At the same time, you will be building your network of friends who will support you socially and with your studies while at Dundee. The network of friends you make will most likely carry on throughout your career. The foundation program is designed to make your arrival in Dundee easy and ensure you have the freedom to choose the degree that is right for you. Looking for more details on this course, or if you are looking for an expert advice directly from the University of Dundee, log on to speaktouniversity.com and book an appointment with the university delegate. Follow the link in the description.